All right, so welcome back to your fractions. So yesterday you had the day to either review or to finish off our Kahoot check-in. So thank you for those who have finished it. You guys have done very well on it, so I'm not worried about your show what you know at all. So today you are going to do your fraction show what you know. It's super easy. So let's get started. So you can get started. All right. Job 1, which is actually your only job today, is to choose 4 questions to answer. You can choose any of the 4, but you have to choose 4. So there's 6 total, so only do 4 of them. If you would like to do 5 or 6 of them, that is fine. You can get bonus points, but just make sure that you do at least 4 of the questions, okay? So for A, you need to fold a strip of paper into equal parts, okay? And you choose how you want to fold it. So you can do it in thirds or fourths or fifths or sixths if you want, all the way up to 12ths. But you have to answer 2 questions with this one. You need to tell me how many equal parts did you divide it into, and then you're going to color one of the equal parts and tell me what fraction of your strip is not colored. Okay, so that's key, not colored. Then for B, if you choose to do B, you are just going to compare each fraction and you're going to write the fraction. So you need to write what the number of the fraction is and then which one is bigger. So make sure you have your comparing sign. So remember greater than, less than, equal to. So Gary, Larry, and Yari are alligators. Then for C, you need to solve the word problem, but you need to show your work. So if you don't show your work, then it's not complete. So Frank has 6 chocolate bars. He gives 1 to John and 1 to Chester. He keeps the rest for himself. What fraction of the chocolate bars did he give away? So you need to show your work. So you can draw a picture, you can write the numbers, however you want to show your work, you can, and then you just write the answer. For D, you can create a fraction flag that represents your family. So maybe you have a flag and each square on the flag represents a family member or something special about your family. So you need to decide what colors you're going to choose and what fractions you can have in your flag, okay? And then you're going to write a fraction to describe each color of your flag. So if you've chosen 5 different colors in your flag, then you can write a fraction to represent the different colors. So for E, you need to tell me how many ways can you show 3/4. You need to make drawings that show at least 3 different ways that make 3/4. You need to write the fraction, okay? So obviously the fraction is 3/4, and explain what the top and bottom numbers mean. So what's the top number and what's the bottom number? And then for the last one, F, you are going to design your own pizza. So you have been asked to make a rectangular pizza for your class. There are 24 kids in the class. So let's say it's our class plus Miss K. 5 would like pepperoni, 2 would like mushrooms, 6 would like green peppers, 8 would like Hawaiian, and 3 would like cheese. So you need to draw out your pizza and then describe what it is in fractions. So for example, 5/24 like pepperoni. Okay, so that is the first part. This is the only part that you have to complete. And remember, you only have to choose 4. So just do 4 of the questions to answer, and then that's it, you're done. Now, if you feel like a challenge and you've already done all of the questions, okay, on the last page, part 1, you can do a bonus challenge, okay? Now, for the bonus challenge, you're going to look at this comic, and in the comic, this girl is saying, wait a minute, why'd PJ get 4 sandwiches and I only got 2? And you are going to try to figure out what the problem is, okay? So obviously the problem is that she has 2 pieces of her sandwich and PJ has 4. Is that fair? Is it not fair? Look carefully at the sandwiches, and then you're going to explain what's happening in the picture, okay? This is a challenge, so remember, it's optional, you don't have to do it. But if you would like to answer it, then you need to make a video and post it on Class Dojo, okay? Now remember that this work should be done by yourself. You guys have shown me you're very capable of working all by yourself. So try to do this work all by yourself without any help. Remember, if you need help, you can send me a message and I can try to explain it to you. But these are your answers that you have just to show me how well you know fractions before we move on to our next topic, which is on Sunday. So you really just have to do 4 questions from this page on the screen right now, and then that's it. You're done. If you would like to do all 6 of them, that is fine. I'll give you bonus points, and if you do the bonus challenge, you get 5 dojo points as well if you get it right, okay? So remember, this is optional, the bonus challenge, but you do have to do 4 questions. And this is all due by Sunday, so you could do 1 or 2 every day, and then you'll be done on Sunday, okay? So I can't wait to see how well you guys have done. I know this is going to be super easy because your Kahoots were all awesome.